So today I'm reviewing this wig unit from LUVINHairShop.com. I was actually sent the wrong wig. I had initially ordered the Brazilian Kinky Curly, but was accidentally sent this unit, which is the Brazilian Kinky Straight, but I end up loving it, so thought why not review it. So here's the hair right out of the box. So the wig unit has 3 combs in the front, and then it has 1 comb in the back, and then it has the adjustable straps, and this hair is 18 inches. And one thing I really like about this company is this unit, at least, the hair seem to be really true to length, because to me, actually it even seems a little bit longer, like a 20-inch, but they said 18 inches. And as you can see, the hair is super long and super full. This unit is so full. So I use my Got To Be Glued in Ultra Strength to lay the wig down. And I also use this little brush for the baby hairs, and I just picked that up at my local beauty supply for like $2, and I love that. It's great to use in place of a toothbrush. And then I use the Suave Natural Infusion, and it's a moisturizing light oil spray, and I like it because it does not weigh the hair down in any type of way. And I'm using my HSI flat iron, which I purchased off of Amazon. And I had never heard of this company before, but based on the reviews, it's like thousands of them. I went ahead and ordered it, and I'm so glad I did, because this flat iron gets super hot, up to like 410 temperature. It gets the hair silky straight. So this was a flat iron that I used in the tutorial, along with my Miracle wig brush, and I will link everything down below. The Miracle wig brush came from his and hers in, I think it's Beverly Hills in California, or West LA, something like that. But anyways, all the information will be linked below, because you can order this brush online. So as you can see, I'm just going through flat ironing the hair. And again, the texture of this hair is the Brazilian Kinky Straight. And I kind of wanted just a silky straight look. So I guess it would look like African American hair, but then just pressed out or flat ironed out. So this flat iron definitely helped me accomplish that look, and it was so easy to get this hair straight. And let me tell you, after about, like, I want to say 3, 4, or 5 days, I hadn't even worn the wig, but when I just took it back out to comb it out, the hair had went right back to its natural texture. Not as full as you seen the hair initially, and that's probably only because, you know, I would need to wash it to get it back like that. But I was still impressed that the hair went back to its natural state. It wasn't like the hair was just now going to stay looking perm straight. So I really love this unit. It's super full. I mean, it's so full that you have to really look through the wig deep just to find the tracks or the wefts. That's how full this unit is, and I have experienced very little shedding. I also had used the curling wand while I was in California on this wig, and the curls held up so beautifully, and they turned out beautiful. And I think I will do a tutorial on how I wand this hair too. But so far, I am loving the unit. So I believe this hair company became popular on Aliexpress, but as mentioned, they do have a website, LUVINHairShop.com. They're also on Instagram. I will link everything below, and I actually discovered them on YouTube when I was looking up kinky curly hair reviews. I stumbled across them, and I guess the reason why they sent me the wrong wig was it was basically a computer error. And even though I ordered the Kinky Curly, for some reason it was saying that I ordered the Brazilian Kinky Straight, and I actually didn't catch it until the wig was already shipped to me, and it was shipped really quick. So I would say definitely just double check your invoice, and just make sure that the correct purchase is there. Like, I guess I didn't go back and check my PayPal. I just assumed, because I knew that I clicked in the right order, that it was all good, but it wasn't. So make sure you double check your invoice. But as you can see here, I am all done. The hair is silky straight, and you know, it lasts, I would say, a good 2 days. And then I hadn't worn the hair again until I decided to put the wand curls in it while I was in California, but the hair is so soft, it's so silky, and it's so full. So I think if you order from this company, you will be very satisfied. So now I'm just applying a little bit of that Suave Natural Infusion, and this has macadamia oil and white orchid in it. And again, I really like using this stuff because unlike some oil hair moisturizing sprays, this one does not weigh the hair down in any way. It just gives it like a light little shine and luster to the hair. So this is a wrap for this review. Please subscribe if you are new to my channel so you can see all of my future uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.